How much is it to go to Miami? How much money do you make? I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have any money. I have a reservation. I need to practice my English. I'd like to eat at 5th Street restaurant. I'll have the same thing. I'll pay for dinner. I'll pay for the tickets. I'm 26 years old. Is that okay? Is there any mail for me? Isn't it? It's 11:30. It's 9:15. Please come in. Sorry, we don't accept credit cards. Sorry, we only accept cash. That restaurant is not expensive. That's too expensive.